This is the Milano MTC25 and it is a professional grade pull action tile cutter. It features a maximum cutting length of 620 millimeters. If you need something larger, there's also another model with a 950 millimeter cutting capacity. The Milano cutter has a high precision cutting head with ball bearings on the slide, and that rail that it slides along is adjustable so you can cut tiles right up to 20 mil thick. I love how open that cutting wheel is. It makes it really easy to see it when you're cutting along lines. Also, that cutting wheel is replaceable when it eventually dulls after substantial use. The fence bevels to 48 degrees in both directions with quick stops every 15 degrees so you can snap it at 45. The bed is spring loaded. There's also this extension arm which is also spring loaded, which will support your longer tiles. There's a stop for easy, fast, repeated cuts, and the whole thing packs down pretty compact for storage and transport. So whether you're tiling small jobs like a splashback or you're doing bathrooms and floors like a boss, the Milano Tile Cutter will help you get that job done accurately and fast. If you've got any questions at all about this tile cutter, hit me up in that comment section below, and until next time, I'm Tim and you're watching Sydney Tools TV.